It is a real beehive of activity down there. The workers adding the finishing touches on the new parking structure. That noise will certainly wake you up in the morning. Some new rules implemented since my last visit here. Stroller size and smoking is no longer allowed inside the theme parks. The new section being added looks so futuristic. I like it. Welcome everyone, Adam the Woo here. Each month I do a construction update, just wander around the premises of the Disneyland Resort. This includes parking structure, downtown Disney, DCA and Disneyland proper. This month is no exception, May 2019 edition. Let's get in there. I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? At some point in the very near future, there will be a pedestrian bridge that goes from there across this road and attaches to that. It's going to make things very convenient. But the pace and speed they get things accomplished around here, you'd think some sort of sorcery was involved. Maybe this hat helps somewhat. There she blows. Proper ambiance provided by the mist and that water propelling itself up in the air. Serious gurgling going on there. I'm in Disney California Adventure now. Just so you know. For one reason or another, the dryers that used to be here to take care of you and your family, you put a couple bucks in, and they dry you off, have been removed. Up until about 3 weeks ago, this was one of the few smoking areas inside the parks. Now you have to go outside the gates, as stated here, including vaping. Designated areas are located outside the security screening areas. The top portions of this are coming together nicely. That's going to be exciting when it happens. You can get a much better view looking downward from atop the Ferris wheel. Bird's eye perspective never hurt anyone. There goes the coaster. Well, at least the coaster car. Looking very colorful, to say the least. Just kind of tucked in there amongst the coaster track. Oh, I think one's coming. Yep, there it is. There goes one of the Incredicoaster cars. World of Color pontoon down there in the water, and you can see the jet propulsion system. It's rather incredible how that whole thing operates and takes place. Whoa, I'm swaying. Woo! Even though it's no longer called California Screamin', there are still some taking place. I heard them. There's a diver down there. Look, there's a diver going underneath all the mechanisms. There's a couple divers. Way over there, underneath Guardians of the Galaxy, patches of dirt, what used to be Bugs Land. I was just at the tippy top of that thing, all the way at the top. It's up there. Good thing when I was up there, I didn't faint. I dang near did, but I didn't faint. Sometimes I just like to soak in how awesome the theming is around these parts. I don't recall this signage. This is recently changed. Historic Route 66, road closed ahead. And that is the reason some metal framing starting to go up elevated there. Oh yeah. Just think one day we'll look back and not even remember there was a big long wall stretching through this thoroughfare. That's how quickly progress happens. This is an angle not normally seen under these trees. It's not usually where someone stands to get a shot of Guardians or the construction that's off to the right. Recently added now not just for the East Coast, but also here on the West, Mickey's PhilharMagic. And with that, head over into Walt Disney's original Magic Kingdom. Too busy playing the musical instrument. It's getting down. Oh my gosh, the castle is back, kind of. The scaffolding has been taken down. Very bright, colorful. I like it. So peaceful back in there. There's not even anyone on the bridge at the moment. Dragon scrim around the backside also has been taken down. I bet that duck is happy to see the silhouette back in the water. I know I am. I am happy to announce that the Adventureland sign is back. This is good news. More accessible and fluid to traffic than once before. Much more open walkway. No congestion is a good thing. You can see some remnants of what once remained obstructing the path. Above the rippling small waterfall, just look at it there. Standing in all its glory, glistening in the sun.
I can see you've got Senegalese sleeping sickness. You're sleepwalking, man.
I am?
Where do you think you are? Disneyland?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This is the jungle.
It is?
This is no place to sleepwalk, man.
All right.
Oh, what if you were to discover that life itself was a dream?
That'd be amazing.
You were to wake up suddenly and find yourself asleep.
That would be weird.
I don't understand what I just said. No, wake up.
All right.
Smell the jungle juice.
All right, I'm smelling
Take the advice tended for you below lovingly. And thank you so much for patronizing Shrunken Ned.
He advises for a long, healthy life, eat whatever you want and don't worry about it. A waste is a terrible thing to mind. There's something you don't see too often. They're pushing the pirate ship Columbia into its spot. Have to be very careful when doing so. Ever so gently. Almost there. Incoming, almost to its spot, and docked. Always amazes me when it's parked how close it fits into that roof line there. Only a couple feet above it. Just maybe like 3 or 4 feet at the most. What are you up to? You just hanging around? Yeah, just chilling? I feel you.
Well, what do you want to hear?
I want to hear something about the high seas.
Oh, I like you.
Something on the high seas.
Murder on the high seas.
Murder on the high seas.
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the wind.
Go high, go low, and so sail we.
I see a wreck, a windward, and a lofty ship at sea, sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Are you a pirate or a man of work by me?
Go high, go low, and so sail we.
Oh no, I'm not a pirate, but a man of work by he, sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Broadside for broadside, we fought along the main.
Go high, go low, and so sail we.
Until at last our frigate blew, the pirates smashed away, sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
Port quarters, the saucy pirates cry.
Go high, go low, and so sailed we,
The quarters that we gave them for to sink them in the tide.
sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. flowers tree. Shipment was their coffin, and their gravy was the sea. Ah! Sailing down along the coast of high Barbary. Oh, high below, it's full sail me. Sailing down along the coast of high Barbary.
There goes the monorail. Scaffolding around the rocket is down, new paint job, and Pizza Planet is completely enclosed in walls. If you're hungry, you must fuel up elsewhere for the time being. Toy Story 4, at least a preview, is coming to the former Captain EO Theater. From here, it looks like the rocket's just blasting up over the tree line. Got some props from the new Aladdin film inside Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln, including the magic carpet itself. By rubbing this fairy lamp, all your dreams will come true. Well, at least 3 of them. With all the changes that are continually happening, it's always nice to step in here and remind us what it was like back in 1955 when it first opened. Flower is emitting a lot of H2O. Okay, it's stopped. Very beautiful blossoms starting to formulate here on the leaves of this tree. See them there? Here's a closer version, a little zoomed in so you can see what I was talking about. These things certainly are getting plenty of use recently. So much happening. That's gonna do it for today. If you're new here, please subscribe. By doing so, helps keep you in the loop and up to date on future uploads here on this channel. I will put links in the description box to previous episodes, month by month, back from when it started, leading up till now, to get caught up, just so you can see how things have formulated. There is a Zamboni of sorts going by, a street cleaner. That's what that sound is. See you in the next video. The vlog is over. Bringing in the dirt, bringing in the dirt. There come the trucks, bringing in the dirt. Well, it might not be dirt, but it's something related. Watch out, minivan, you get too close, you're gonna get concrete on your hood. Where is the connecting portion gonna come off there when it goes across this road to connect with that? I see where that part is on the pedestrian walkway, but going back across, there are a lot of areas it could be mounted on right up there. I'm not seeing an indication of where that will be. Things that make you go, Exiting is it's almost like a maze. so much to cover today that I didn't, on purpose, mention the subject matter that I am pointing the camera at the back side of. If you're wondering if Star Wars Galaxy's Edge will be talked about in the upcoming week, it will be. It will be. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.